iOS 26.5. Security update, check if your iPhone needs it. iOS 26.5 is now available, and this is one of those updates worth checking, because it includes important security fixes for supported iPhones and iPads. Apple's security page lists fixes related to privacy and media handling, which means updating helps keep your device safer and more stable. The good news is that checking and installing the update only takes a few minutes if your iPhone is supported. Check your iPhone model. Before updating, make sure your iPhone actually supports iOS 26.5. According to Apple's support information, the update applies to iPhone 11 and later models, along with supported iPad models for iPadOS 26.5. To check your device, open Settings, go to General, then tap About and look at the model name. If your iPhone is supported, you should eventually see the update inside Software Update. Keep in mind that updates sometimes roll out gradually, so availability may differ slightly depending on your region or device. If you are using a managed work or school device, your organization may also delay update installation. Backup first. Before installing any major security or system update, it is smart to create a backup first. This gives you a safer recovery option if something unexpected happens during the update process. The easiest method is using iCloud Backup by opening Settings, tapping your Apple account, selecting iCloud, then iCloud Backup. You can also back up to a Mac or Windows computer using Finder or Apple devices if you prefer local backups. Make sure the backup completes successfully before continuing with the update. Open Software Update. Now open Settings, go to General and tap Software Update. Your iPhone will check Apple's servers for the latest available version. If iOS 26.5 is available for your device, you should see it listed on this screen along with the update details. Make sure your iPhone is connected to stable Wi-Fi before starting the download, because update files can be large. It is also a good idea to have the battery charged or keep the phone plugged into power during installation. Install iOS 26.5. Once the update appears, tap Download and Install and follow the on-screen instructions. Your iPhone may ask for your passcode before beginning the process. During installation, the phone will restart automatically,